Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Dorsey again, and we're going to keep looking at subtraction word problems today. We're going to review our vocabulary words real quick before we get started. Our first word is subtract. It's when you take one number away from another number. That's what we've been doing all week, subtracting. The next word is difference. Difference is the result of subtracting one number from another. So when you subtract one number from another, the answer you get is called the difference. The next word is left. Left is a key word in a subtraction word problem. Left is one of those words that's going to let you know to subtract. The next word is remaining. If you see remaining or remains, that's a key word to let you know to subtract. And the next word or phrase is how many more. That is another key word to let you know that you are going to subtract. Okay, boys and girls? That is your vocabulary words for the week. Now we're going to go look at a word problem. Now, I want you, before we get started, I want you to go ahead and get some paper, a pencil, a marker board, and a marker, whatever you have at home to write on. So you can pause the video if you need to and run, go get you something to write with. We're going to do one problem together, and then I'm going to give you a chance to work on one. Okay, boys and girls, I hope everybody has something to write on. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at our first problem. Our first problem says, Jamie's school baseball team played 28 games this year. Grayson attended 16 games. How many baseball games did he miss? Okay. What's the first thing that I'm going to do, boys and girls? If you said circle your numbers and find your keywords, you're right. That's the first thing I need to do when I have a word problem. So I'm going to circle 28 and 16. And then I'm going to try to find my keywords. Do you think you know the keywords? Okay, if you said how many, that can kind of be a keyword to help you, but you're going to need something a little bit more than how many. And the other thing you're going to need is miss. How many did he miss? Okay, because he went to some, but he didn't go to all. So we're going to find the difference between how many he went to and how many he missed. So we're going to subtract. Okay, boys and girls? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the side and I'm going to set my problem up. I'm going to stack my numbers. Biggest number always on top when I'm subtracting. So I know that 2 10s is more than 1 10. So 28 is going to be my top number. And I'm going to subtract 16 from it. So I've got my problem that I need to solve. I'm going to use the base 10 model to solve this problem. So I'm going to look at my big number, 28, and I'm going to build it. 2 is in the tens place, so I know I need 2 10s. And then I need 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, boys and girls, so I have built 28. I have built my top number. Now I'm going to come below it and I'm going to write my smaller number. So I'm going to subtract 16 from what I have. Okay, boys and girls? And where do we always start? Ones place. That's right. Ones place here. Ones place here. Always starting in that ones place. So I'm going to take 6 ones away from what I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I can see how many I have left. 1, 2. So I'm going to put 2 in the ones place. Then I'm going to go to my tens place. I have 2. I'm taking 1 away and 2. And I take 1 away. I have 1 left. So boys and girls, that tells me that 28 minus 16 is 12. Okay? So that's how you're going to solve your problem using the base 10 method. Circle your numbers, underline your keywords. Okay, boys and girls? Now, I need you to get your paper, your pencil, whatever you found to write with, and we're going to look at another problem. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to read the problem to you, and then I want you to pause the video and work it on your paper. And when you get finished, I want you to come back, push play, and we'll check it together. Okay? There were 36 brownies in the pack. The boys ate 32 brownies. How many brownies remain in the pack? Okay, boys and girls, circle your numbers, find your keywords, and work your problem out. Go ahead and hit pause. And when you get finished, hit play, and we'll come back. Okay, boys and girls, so you worked out your problem, and I'm super proud of you for trying your best. So let's check it and see if we got the right answer. Okay, so if you went to this problem and you circled your numbers, you circled 36, oh, wrong button, sorry. You circled 36 and 32. And what keywords did you find? It's one of our vocabulary words from the week. Remain, that's right, you found remain. Remain means to subtract. We are going to subtract on this problem. First thing I got to do is I got to set it up, bigger number on top. Well, I got a 3 in the tens and a 3 in the tens, so I have to go look at the ones place. That's right. So I got a 6 in the ones and a 2 in the ones. So I know that 36 is bigger. So 36 is going to go on top. 36 minus 32 is my problem, boys and girls. This time, I want to use the base 10 method. Sorry, not base 10. I used base 10 last time. I'm going to use expanded form this time, but you could have solved it using any method that worked for you. Okay, so as long as we get the same answer, I'm going to set it up. Expanded form, breaking it apart by its value, 36. The 3's in the tens place, and the value of 3 tens is 30, plus 6 ones is 6. And then I got to do my bottom number, 32. 3 tens is 30, plus 2 ones is 2. I'm going to draw my line and my subtraction sign. I know I'm going to bring the plus sign down. Okay, boys and girls, always start in what place? The ones place. Right, boys and girls. So 6 minus 2 is 4. That is right, boys and girls. Okay. Now I'm going to move to my tens place. 3 minus 3 is 0. So if I have 30 minus 30, it's also going to be 0. So then I'm going to look at that, and 0 plus 4 is 4. That's right, boys and girls. So there were 4 brownies left in the box. Good job if you got 4, boys and girls. Okay, now, so remember, when you're working on word problems, you are going to find your numbers, find your keywords. You can use the base 10 method, the expanded form method, whichever way works best for you. Okay, now today, boys and girls, for your independent practice, you are going to have a Google slide to work on. So I'm going to real quick review that with you and show you how that works. And then you'll go do that and you'll turn it into your teacher, okay? Now, oops, sorry, wrong piece. Sorry, this one. Google Slides. Now remember Google Slides, you can't type in it if you're in present mode. So make sure you leave it in this mode so that you can type your answers and then turn it in. Okay, so you're going to have a word problem, and then each one of these has already done the base 10 blocks for you, so it's helping you out. And we're just making sure that we can write the number sentence and find the answer, okay? It says Miss Lou has 73 candles in her candy bag. She gives out 21 to her students. How many candles does she have left? Okay, so your numbers are 73 and 21. Your keywords are have left. So you're going to go down here and you're going to type in your numbers, 73, 21. You know you put 73 first because it's the biggest number. And then you're going to find the answer. Well, they've already given you your base 10 blocks. They've already given you 73. 73. And they've already marked out 21. So you have to count what is left. So I can see that there are 2 ones left. So, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens left. So I can see that 73 minus 21 is 52. Okay, boys and girls, so you have 5 problems to work, and then you will turn them in to your teacher when you are done. Okay, boys and girls, I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.